Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with another quick project. Today we are building something super useful for every student present here. We are building a website summarizer powered by the Google's Gemini API. This tool will take any URL. For example, you are reading any article, you want to summarize that article, just paste the URL into the tool. It will give you entire summary of that, and also you can generate student notes of that article as well. So I'll show you final output of the project first, then we will walk through the code, and then I will also show you how to get the API and all. So for example, this is the output Gemini website summarizer and the URL. So for example, I was studying the ANN article from the Geek for Geeks. I will paste the link here. See, it will fetch the page, generate the summary with Gemini, and then it will write the summary here in within few seconds. Yeah, here it is. See, here is summary. First, it will create a summary, an introduction of artificial neural networks, key components of ANN, how ANN work, ANN versus biological. It will write everything about that. But now, this is too long. I will summary of for that. I will also show you how to make it student friendly and not this mess like that. So first I will show you how to get the API, which is the Google's Gemini API, how to get it, how to use it, what are its documentation and all. So first of all, you will need to go to aigoogle.dev. Here you have to create an account first, then you can read the entire documentation of all the Gemini's API, how to from Google input, how to create the client, how to get the response, and how to print the response as well. And here are the trial limits as well. You can see here rate limits. I am using the Gemini's 2.5 flash model. It has 10 requests per minute, or you can say 250 requests per day. So it is the best value for money. Like, it is basically free. If you want, you can purchase the expensive model as well, but I am making the project for free as well. And the next step is you have to go to aistudio.google. Here, once you create account, you will get an API key here. Just copy the API key and paste in the environment file .env in your folder. Okay guys, as you can see, we have pasted our Gemini's API key in the environment file. Now we will head to the main file of now I will start explaining the code line by line. In the first step, we are importing the libraries required for the project. First is the os.env request and the Google's GenAI to call the Gemini API. Then we will load the .env so that it can read our API key from the environment file. So first function is the define extract text. So the basic functions of this is to download the web page and remove the script, snapbar, footer, etc. So it will just keep the main content of the article and remove the extra unnecessary things that are the footer, header, and whatever the advertisements come on articles, etc. And then collect the main text and will generate a string of that, and will limit the size of that to 20,000, so that as we are using the free tier of the Google's API, so we do not get any error for character limit exceeding. So we just limit the input to 20,000. And the next is the main function. First we are doing is storing our API key after reading from the OS environment file. Then we will generate a Google's client using the the code from documentation. Now we have a client which can connect with the Google server and will respond to our messages, and we are then printing a welcome message of the project and the URL input. It will take the URL. If the URL is not provided, it will just exit without any response generation. then it will say that we are printing, fetching the page. It will page extract the text. If the text is not there, for you can say you are trying it on your own website which is no text currently, so it will say could not extract any text from the URL. Now after that prompt to the we will generate a prompt we have to send to the Gemini's API. We are saying summarize the following web page in a short, clear, student-friendly method with headings, subheadings, and bullet points. So it will generate the summary in the following manner, whatever we have suggested it to generate. Then we will paste the entire content we have extracted from the article, and then it will just it is an extra line you can or you can remove it as well. Then the response will generated by the Gemini's model. It is the direct code I have copied from the Google's documentation, and then whatever summary I get I will just paste it in the terminal. So this is the final code. You can copy it, or I will provide you the GitHub link as well. Now I will show you final output, and you can, like I have shown you the initial output. Now we can try to change the prompt and see what else we can get it from here. So if you want, like, summarize the following web page in very simple manner. So, as you can see, in earlier it was like a create whole mess. Now if we try to run it, and I will just give the same input, it will give very small summary of the same article, with which it provided a very long summary in the previous run. So yeah, here it is, a few line summary. You can try it yourself as well within 10 minutes. And if you like the video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to channel for new videos every day.